What's up, muscle car people? This is Bring Up Muscle Cars, and I'm Quinn. Today we're bringing you a new installment of Wash Wednesday. Today we are using the, never mind.
It's on the back.
Cut this out. We're using the SM Arnold Claybar on Alex's pristine C5 Z06 Corvette. Actually, it's not pristine. It's taken a lot of work to get to even this point. This thing was dirty as I'll get out. So what we're going to use is some, what is this again,
Chemical
Jared?
Guys.
Chemical Guys. I guess like a lubricant for the Claybar. If you feel it start to bind up, don't go any further. Get it wet again.
Helps a lot.
Tell us what claying does to the roof.
So what this is going to do is it's going to extract out any type of dirt or debris that has kind of impregnated itself into the clear coat. As you can, I don't know if you can see it very well, but on camera, but if you get it at the right angle, you can see all this carbon deposit from his what used to be the side exit exhaust. So we'll get a before and after picture of this, and you'll be able to see what this actually does. If you look close in the bar, I am pulling out a lot of gunk that's in the clear coat. So the thing with these bars, you never want to drop them. If you drop it, it's shot. But you can keep folding it over itself and exposing new parts to the clay. So we're going to do the whole car today, and hopefully we're going to see a dramatic improvement in the clear coat. So. And you can see when I'm stirring up that lubricant, it's getting dirty. That means we're actually extracting some dirt from the clear coat. I think the Claybar is working really well. It's really cool because on this red color, you can really see the dirt because it contrasts with the red. So we're really extracting a lot of dirt out of this clear coat. I honestly think if we want to do this right, we would have to do 2 passes. I don't think we have time for that today, but we're going to get it as good as we can with the time that we have. So far I'm really liking this Claybar, and it's doing a great job. Now, Jared, you said you compared it to the synthetic.
Yeah.
And you liked this style better.
Yeah.
So sometimes old school is better. So we'll carry on.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'm going to link a couple videos. Well, I'm going to link a video on this side right here, right under the S550 that you probably will like, and I'm going to link a playlist for something similar to what you just watched right here. Please click one of those. Click that subscribe button because we need as many subscribers as possible to keep bringing you this awesome content. Thanks for watching, guys, and stay tuned for more action.